Ready to unlock the full potential of your Shopify store and give your customers exactly what they want. First, from your Shopify dashboard, click on Products. Then select the product you want to add variants to if you're creating a new product. This is where you'll set it up. Scroll down the product details page until you see the variants section. Check the box labeled "This product has options," like size or color. Now, in the option name field, type the name of your first variant, like size or color. Then, in the option values field, enter the different options separated by commas. For example, for size, you might enter S, M, L, XL. To add another variant, click Add Another option. This time, let's add color. And enter your available color options like red, blue, green. Again, separated by commas, you can add up to 3 options. Shopify will automatically create all the possible combinations of your variants. You'll see them displayed in a grid below. Now click on each variant to manage its details here. You can set a specific price for each variant, adjust the inventory quantity, and add a unique SKU. This is crucial for accurate order fulfillment and inventory tracking. And that's it. Now your customers can easily choose their preferred size, color, or any other option you've created. Offering more choices leads to happier customers and more sales.